Goldwing Rider, a shadowy flight into the dangerous world of a man who is fearless, a young loner on a crusade to champion the cause in a world of reckless automobiles. These are my motovlogs.
What's up, YouTube? This is your boy Chris, and today I picked up some DRL switchback LED turn signals from Electrical Connection. These DRL switchback lights will fit the Honda Goldwing GL 1800, and this is the box that it came in. I'm surprised that it came in just a cardboard box, but that's okay. These DRL, I will be putting them inside of the Honda Goldwing, and this is the wiring kit that came with it. Inside of the kit, the switchback lights, which are white and amber. They are white running lamps, and then when you go to the turn signals, they turn amber. And this is the LED electronic flasher by Electrical Connection. At first, I thought I did not have to change out the LED flasher, but after checking the right and left turn signals, I'm getting that very fast blinking. I mean, it's blinking extremely fast. So I'm gonna have to change out the OEM flasher and go with this LED flasher. I've already removed the front speaker grill off the front of the Goldwing, and I'm hoping that I don't have to take off the windshield and the front nose of the Goldwing just to get to the OEM flasher. I got 4 bolts, 1, 2, 4. And basically what I'm gonna do is lift up the front of this instrument panel, try to get something under there to keep it propped up. So let's just go ahead and get started. And I'm gonna try to give you guys a closer look. I got the dash propped up. I mean, it's almost virtually impossible. Got it. As you can see, I got it unplugged. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and get the right turn signal installed, and I'm going to show you guys how I do it, and it will be the same on both sides. The first thing I want to do is unscrew the bottom screw that's located on the bottom of the turn signal, and be careful not to strip it. So now that I have the screw removed, I can go ahead and just lift up on the mirror and bring it out from the bottom. I'm just going to lift up and bring it out. As you can see, it has a couple little latches that go up under, and there's the screw underneath. So that's the only thing that's holding it in. The next thing I want to do, I want to remove 3 Phillips screws. And the light bulb is just a 1/4 of a turn, and it should come right out. I'm going to remove these 3 Phillips screws. And it probably would be a good idea to go ahead and unlatch the rubber from around it. And it'll come right out. And that's the only thing that's holding this light in is those 3 Phillips screws. I'll tighten up all 3 screws. Now I can put in the switchback turn signal. It's going to go in like so and just give it a quarter of a turn. So I changed it out and everything is working fine. So anyway, if you guys have any questions or any comments, put them down in the comment section below. And I'll do my best to answer any questions. And I'll also put the part number down in the description below if anybody want to order these switchback lights from Electrical Connection. Well, anyway, that's all I have for you guys. This is your boy Chris, and I'll talk to you guys later. See you.